Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I think I've done enough videos on how many things the Amazon diesel engine will run on. It is a 186 FA, and you can see it right there. Anyway, you get the idea. So, little project here and there. Filtering some oil. Figured I'd do what's in Daddy's secret recipe for homemade fuel. It says lamp oil. Old ATF. I'm sure that bottle might be useful to somebody, but not anymore. More lamp oil. More lamp oil. Whatever's left over after I do my oil change. Turbo formula, maybe that'll make me go faster. Actually, that motor flush is a lie. I use that on a high mileage vehicle. That's a pure lamp light. Not really giving up on making the Will It Run series. I guess I kind of am, but I think most of you who've seen most of my videos got the idea that this little engine will run on anything. So once I get all this filtered through my filter apparatus that I've also made videos on, oh, some of that in there. More of that. Ooh, something. Yep, Forgot about that one. What was left in this bottle? And I am running out of space. So I filter all this stuff through my filter apparatus that I made on my channel and publicized and shared. And oh, there's more down in there, but whatever, you get the idea. And I put it all in a 55-gallon drum, and when it's almost full I add about 5 gallons of gasoline and then 5 gallons of diesel to make it full. And then I have through the little, 2.5-inch port in the top of the 55-gallon drum, I have a garden auger that's almost 3 feet long, and I run my drill. It's a battery drill, so it runs for a while, but I run it until the battery dies, and then I leave it set. So anything that might have made it through all those filters, including the 1/2 micron filter, will settle to the bottom. And I wanted to make sure the gas and the diesel and everything is all mixed up properly. So that's it.